Greetings! Today we are proud to introduce our newest addition, the Netron NT-781 electronic direct drive Lockstich buttonhole machine. The NT-781 utilizes world-leading AC servo control technology, providing stable speed at an amazingly low noise level. A true hybrid of German-style structure with Japanese technology. For more information regarding this machine or others from our fine line of industrial sewing and cutting machines, please contact your regional Netron sales representative. Thanks for watching.